All right. Hey guys, and welcome back to my video. This is video part 2 of the big unboxing package. This is a special one. One, because this is like one of my favorite materials for a fidget. And yeah, let me first go ahead and get my other fidgets in this material slash this type of fidget. I'll be right back. So yeah. So here's the Zircuti Top C. And here's the stainless steel bubble. One of my favorite fidgets of all time. All right. I guess you guys can see from the title what this is. This is a Zircuti Top B. This is also my first Top B in the channel. I've only had the bubble, and I absolutely love this thing, so I'm really excited about this. And it's one of my favorite materials, which is the Zircuti. And now, kind of really wanted this because it'll match my Top C. Really wish Metal Toys would make one and would make a Top D in Zircuti, and that would be insane. I think they will in the future. So yeah. But also, we got a lot of different accessories, different plates and stuff like that, which I'm really excited to check out. Balls, springs, just a whole lot of stuff. I think this would be a separate video because there's so much stuff in there to check out. But yeah, here it is. I'm gonna put these aside for now. Wow, really excited. Let's get into it. So nice black box. I think these are the boxes they had before they switched to these, the clear ones. So yeah, here we go. Wow, okay. Really cool. Let me put this aside. Here it is. Top B. Metal Toys DZ in Zircuti. Looks amazing. One sec, let me get my cloth. All right, there we go. All right, and let me get my cloth for this thing. There we go. It is the same material. Pretty sick. All right, I love these like square shaped crying faces, different from the original circle ones. But yeah, let's check it out. Oh, so this is actually the ZZ plate for the Top B. This is my first time trying this out. Wow. That's insane. That's actually crazy. All right, this has become like one of my new favorite fidgets. I'm in love. All right, let me quickly go ahead and weigh this thing. 40 grams, and then quickly weigh the stainless steel bubble, 62 grams. So the bubble actually has the stock plate. Just listen. It's got that 2-click, 1, 2, 1, 2. But this thing's got like a lot of little small clicks and then one big click at the end. Actually, you can kind of see through there. So right there, you kind of see the, no, you kind of can't. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open this up for you guys and then show you. All right, one sec. This is so good. Did this one fit? Yep. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys the plate for this, and then I'll show you guys the plate for the bubble. One sec. There we go. So this is how it works. Slide like that. But yeah, now let me show you guys this part. First of all, let me show you the inside of this. Pretty neat, to be honest. Looks amazing. All right. Now let's get to this part. All right. Nice. I was looking at the camera and that's how I dropped it. So I'm gonna put it down. There we go. So this is the ZZ plate for the bubble. I mean the top B. Pretty cool. This also works for the bubble. And yeah, here are the balls and stuff. So what I can already tell, these two are smaller and these are bigger, and they're on brass spacers. Really cool. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put it back together. Actually, maybe I'll just this up as well. Why not? And do a side-to-side comparison. Let me move it over here. All right. Let's get a side-to-side comparison. Same thing. Now let's open these. So there we go. And this is the stock plate, and then this is the ZZ plate. You guys can see the grooves on this one, and then just the very small grooves on this one. This feels a lot better on this. So yeah, again, like I said, I will be doing a comparison on all the different plates with this thing, this kit. This was super nice of them to include. Cannot wait to try them. But yeah, here are the two sides compared. The corner balls are smaller, stuff like that. So yeah, but these are on brass spacers, it looks like. So yeah, pretty nice. So I'm gonna put this back together. Nice. That was epic. Now I gotta put it back the right way. There we go. Okay. There we go. Now this part. There we go. And I'm also gonna do a very deep cleaning of this thing, of both of them, just so you guys know how to do it. So stay tuned for that video as well. Come on, screw in. It's so good. The ZZ play is so good on this thing. I don't know if I compare the sounds yet. So like 68 to 71. .74, so a bit louder. So all right, in the last clip, I compared the sound of these two things. I've had about 10 minutes with this thing, and yeah, I absolutely love it. It's like one of my new favorite things right now. I love it. It's like nice, quiet, small, and really satisfying. I think I'm gonna collect a bit more of these, to be honest. They're really cool. But yeah. And if you really want, you can be just fully quiet with this thing, like this, without hitting those last clicks. Which is freaking amazing. I love this thing. Again, if you guys don't know, if you guys forgot to weigh, this is 40 grams, 62, and then the top C is 26, a lot lighter. So yeah, and then these are my current Metal Toys fidgets. I have a lot more top C's. They're just off camera. I'm not gonna bring them out. That's just too much work to do right now. But yeah, I love each and every single one of these. They're amazing. Top C makes the best stuff in the mechanical space. Definitely check them out. Like every single one of the products, no matter the material, is amazing. I 100% recommend them. You guys will not be disappointed. They're just an amazing brand. So yeah, now I want to show you guys a couple other things I have in this material. This is the NJT Van Gogh Zircuti coin. Pretty epic. Looks amazing as well. So yeah, and then this is the NJT Zircuti Vader. Also looks really good. Look at that. So yeah, just this material, it's called the clown material because it has so many colors, but it's actually like one of my favorite materials ever. Looks so nice. It's light, it gives nice sound. You just can't go wrong with this one. So yeah, definitely recommend the top B, bubble, top C, top D, and these as well. They're really good too, but they're not metal toys right now. This video is by Metal Toys. 100% recommend this thing. These are pretty expensive. From what I know, they're like from $500 to $700, so they're really expensive, but I think worth it. To be honest, I would get it again. So worth it. There's a lot of different ways you can play with this thing, like this. There's so many different tunes you can do with this thing, like I told you guys. Extra screws, springs, balls, different material balls, plates, stickers, all that. So just get ready for that video when it drops. I'm gonna tune it, and it's gonna be really good. So yeah, this thing's amazing. It also has a sticker to help us slide better. You guys can see that. But yeah, that just gets added on to make it extra smooth and no scratching. Definitely recommend you guys do that too. The thing's super nice. All right, I'm done blabbing about this thing. It's really good. I've got something else I gotta unbox right now, which is crazier than anything I've had in my collection ever so far. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video and move on to that. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys are subscribed, leave a like, turn on the bell notifications, and check out the channel sponsors down below. Use my code DailyDoseOfFidgets to get 10% off your entire order. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one.